Daisy, the man who claimed he was Jesus when, according to deputies, he lit a woman on fire and killed her, will have to undergo forensic evaluation.
It was ordered by Judge Larry Abels when Christopher Alan Medula appeared in court for the first time since the incident. Leah Boland joins us live here in the studio. And Leah, what kind of behavior does someone have to show to undergo forensic evaluation?
Well, Latrice, I spoke with an attorney who says someone would have to display insane behavior that is so far off track or abhorrent for a court to order a forensic evaluation. You may remember deputies said Medula lit the woman on fire because she was, quote, the devil.
If a criminal defendant has done something that is literally crazy, it makes you wonder about their mental state of mind, that would lead to a forensic evaluation.
The incident happened on November 11th. We spoke with witness Steve Ellis, who says he heard Medula repeating that he had to do it after setting a woman's camper on fire and trapping her inside. Ellis says Medula tried to run away, but he pinned him to the ground.
And he turned and said he was Jesus. And I explained to him that you're going to meet the real Jesus if you get up. And I put him back to the ground again.
Attorney Mike Richardson says a forensic evaluation is a court-ordered comprehensive mental health assessment of someone taken for a legal purpose.
A criminal defendant may be ordered to undergo a forensic evaluation to assess their mental state, to determine whether they are mentally competent to stand trial, whether they're mentally competent to understand and comprehend the charges against them.
If he is competent to stand trial, then prosecution will move forward. But if not?
If he were determined not to be mentally competent to stand trial, then the prosecution will be stayed and the defendant will probably be put in a state institution until at such time as, if ever, he might be found to be mentally competent.
A forensic evaluation entails written tests and healthcare professionals talking with the person.
To try to discern or get into their head and to see whether they're feigning or faking it, or whether they are in fact not in grip with conscious reality.
Medula is due back in court on February 9th. Medula is facing first-degree murder, and we'll keep you updated on his case on air and online. David.